I'm working for Menzies over 5 years. Currently I'm supervising. Before I was working as a ramp operator. You can do many different things. You may be allocated to do belt or lifter or headset or wing walk. On the ramp is loads of equipment which may be dangerous, so you have to be very aware of your surroundings. A standout memory for me is when I was doing cargo. There was just like one random beautiful Bentley. Colors were mixed beautifully, and that was something what I won't forget. I really enjoy working for Menzies because I'm feeling like at home. I like aircrafts. My role is very male-orientated, but I hope my position in here and my presence in here will gonna encourage more ladies to come to the ramp.